Hello, how are you doing? I'm so excited to be with you today. It's another lovely day. Happy Thursday to you all. Well, I thank God for being here today. I'm so excited. I'm a social business coach and online expert. I'm here to share value as usual. Thank you so much for tuning in. In case you're watching the live, you can drop a comment. In case you're watching the replay, you can drop hashtag and also drop a comment. Thank you so much for tuning. I'm so excited to be with you. Thank you so much. Today I'm here to share a topic, and the title of my topic is the key characteristics of an entrepreneur. The key characteristics of an entrepreneur. Thank you so much for tuning. Entrepreneurship is the process of taking a thought, idea, or concept and turning it into a reality. I repeat, entrepreneurship is the process of taking a thought, idea, or concept and turning it into a reality. Often but not always, this is tied to a business idea that the individual or team wants to exploit in order to generate sales and make profit. But not everyone who embarks on the journey to be an entrepreneur is successful, truth be told. Not everyone who embarks on the journey to be an entrepreneur is successful. In fact, most people will fail in this pursuit because starting, growing and scaling any venture requires hard work and great dedication for you to great dedication. And for you to gain clarity, you must stay loyal to the process. That is it. For you to gain clarity, you must stay loyal to the process. We are going to explore some of the major characteristics of an entrepreneur. We are going to start with tenacity. 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 This is a very important characteristic that is possessed by virtually all successful entrepreneurs. Tenacity is the ability to persevere and keep chasing the goal even in the face of adversity, because there are adversities as a transition. Truth be told, there are adversities. And entrepreneurs who have tenacity, they do not take no for an answer. And entrepreneurs who have tenacity do not take no for an answer and will stop until they get what they want. Because that spirit of tenacity, this can come across as brash to some people, but true entrepreneurs know that no successful business is built overnight. That is the truth. No successful business is built overnight. Ideas take time to become a reality. That's why we have to be patient with the process. Often you will see entrepreneurs try something and fail 10 times, but they won't give up. To them, mistake don't mean it is time to quit, because that's the transition process. They see mistakes as part of the process. It simply means try harder. You are almost there. Entrepreneurs don't quit as soon as they hit an obstacle or a roadblock. They confront it, kick it out of the way, and keep moving. That's the spirit. They don't quit, they confront it. They face their fears. Their number two, passion. For any entrepreneur to be successful, they need to have a deep-seated passion. For any entrepreneur to be successful, they need to have a deep-seated passion that is driving them. They have to have a deep-seated passion that is driving them forward. Truth be told, it's not just the drive to make money. It is the passion to solve a problem and meet the needs of others through their business or idea. This is why many successful entrepreneurs get the idea for their business from a problem that they face personally. When they have something that personally affects them and needs to be fixed, it is easy to be passionate about doing so. As a result, you can often see that money isn't the driving factor for an entrepreneur. Money isn't the driving factor for an entrepreneur. Money and success simply the byproduct of the desire to solve a problem and see change occur in the world. That is the truth. Money and success is simply the byproduct of the desire to solve a problem and see change occur in the world. With this level of passion is a characteristic of entrepreneurs that forces them to keep moving forward, even at the face of fear, even at the face of mistakes. Then number 3, risk taking. Risk taking. And that characteristic of an entrepreneur is that they are not afraid. A typical entrepreneur is not afraid to take risk. It doesn't mean that they are restless, but because they have an appreciation for the balance between risk and reward. They recognize that taking a degree of risk can result in much greater return in life if they manage to be successful. Another example of this can be seen in athletes and adventurers. Why they don't fit the typical definition of an entrepreneur, they are essentially banking on their personal ability to succeed in their chosen field and hope that an investment in that area of expertise pays off in some way. Finally, why a characteristic of an entrepreneur is to be a risk taker, they also acknowledge that it is not a one-time thing. It is not a one-time thing. You don't choose to be an entrepreneur for a short period. You don't choose to be an entrepreneur for a short period of your life and then go on to do and go and start doing something else. No. Entrepreneurship is a calling, truth be told. Entrepreneurship is a calling. And being an entrepreneur remains something that is inside of you. As a result, you can afford to take the long-term view and recognize that even if this opportunity of business does not work out, you are investing in your future. That's the long term. You have that mindset that you are, even though it doesn't work out now, but you know that you are investing on your future. Your focus is on the long term and not the short term. The risk you take now has led to lessons that will help you succeed in the future. As you transition, you are learning through the transition process. You are learning through the transition process. You can be making mistakes. You might not be perfect, but you are learning. You are gaining perfection through the transition process. And number 4, hard work. No one is successful in life without putting in the hard work. No one is successful in life without putting in the hard work. Yes, luck does play a part, but you can't overlook the importance of hard work. Entrepreneurs often work hard not because they see the business as a job, but because they love doing what they do. This way, hard work meets passion and becomes such a strong force to move an entrepreneur forward in their choosing domain or path as they transition. Then number 5, vision. Vision. Vision is another essential characteristic that every successful entrepreneur has. Vision is what propels most entrepreneurs to succeed. Vision is what propels most entrepreneurs to succeed, because until they see what they picture, they won't stop. Until they see what they picture, they won't stop. Without a clear picture of the future, without a clear picture of where you are going to, just anywhere will look like the destination. An entrepreneur who is able to create and articulate a clear vision will have greater success in selling their product, service, recruiting people to their company and getting others to support them. This is a crucial skill, especially in the early days of a new venture when there isn't much of a track record to go on it. Being able to sell the vision and look clearly down the road in 3, 5, 10, or even 20 years' time ensures that the company remains centered. Hotel market each and every year. That's it. Then number 6, communication skills. Communication skills. Nobody is an island. Nobody is an island. You can't do everything by yourself. Therefore, excellent communication skills is an important characteristic for all entrepreneurs to master. It's very important we master communication skills. It's a must. Entrepreneurs need to be strong verbal communicators. Entrepreneurs need to be strong verbal communicators. As speaking with potential prospects and customers is usually the way an outsider is first introduced to you or your company. If you're not able to articulate what you are doing and the benefits you have in the first 30 seconds of a conversation, you will often lose the attention of your audience. That is true. If you cannot pass in the message, you pass in the benefit in that first 30 seconds, you will lose audience. Being a strong communicator also ties with our earlier characteristic of an entrepreneur, including having a vision and being passionate. When you are passionate about a topic, your belief in that idea or concept is naturally carried through in the way you speak about it. Hearing someone speak about something they are passionate about can be infectious and can have people hang on every word they say. You can cite all of this when we see a mentor, the gurus and the post speaking. Then number 7, self-belief. Self-belief. Often when starting out, entrepreneurs don't have many people who believe in their idea or potential success. I repeat, often when starting out, entrepreneurs don't have many people who believe in their idea or potential success. There are just too many things that can go wrong, and most people look for, they focus on what won't work as opposed to what will. As a result, successful entrepreneurs have to have self-belief. You have to believe in yourself. You have to have mental toughness. They have to believe in their ability to execute on the idea or business opportunity they see in front of them. That doesn't mean they have to believe they are always right, but they have to have a natural inclination towards backing themselves and believing in their ability, even when others don't. You have to have a strong belief in yourself. You have to have a strong belief in the system you are using. That is it. Entrepreneurs are therefore an optimistic bunch. Entrepreneurs are therefore an optimistic bunch. They often look to the positivity and what we go right. They are always positive. They look at what we go right and underestimate the potential for failure. This is a positive mindset to have, as it wheels you forward even when times get tough. Positivity is very important, but it can make it harder on those entrepreneurs who do fail to be successful with their business or idea. Now, it's clear that entrepreneurs have a number of characteristics that help keep them focused on the end goal while diligently working towards it. Being an entrepreneur isn't for everyone. I repeat, being an entrepreneur isn't for everyone. But often people who find themselves starting a business or chasing their dreams, we are born that way. I wouldn't want to be doing anything else. Entrepreneurship is a calling. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. That's why mental toughness is very important, because there are critics. People want to pull down your ideas. Not everybody will believe in your vision. Always remember that it is your path and you alone knows your vision. That is the truth. And remember that not everybody is going to resonate with your voice. That's why you have to stay strong on what you believe in. It's very important you stay strong on what you believe in. A lot of people might not resonate with your voice, but a lot of people will. That is it. Stay strong on what you believe in and stay focused on your path. Believe in what you are implementing. Thank you so much for stay tuned. Thank you.
Follow me for tips, tools, and training to professionally build your network marketing business online to get targeted prospects and team members. Follow me for tips, tools, and training to professionally build your network marketing business online to get targeted prospects and team members. If you love to learn more about working effectively and getting real results in your business, click on the link below to get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Obtain your email to get it now. Thanks for tuning in. If you love to learn more about working effectively and getting real results in your business, click on the link below to get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Obtain your email to get it now. Thanks for tuning in.